Okay, so what we see here is we are on the routes. We have selected the item, and now we are going to click on this route and go to Manage Overtime. And what we're going to do here is click each day of the week. So we're going to click all the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then we're going to apply some overtime hours. So we're going to apply a 6 a.m. start time and a 5 p.m. start time. Okay, and we're going to apply the hours, and it's for the entire month, 1st through the 31st. And now we're going to go back and look at that route to see that those changes took place. So we're going to highlight that same route. We're going to go to the Edit Grid. And now what we see are two things occurred. First, it applied the overtime hours to days that do not have a check mark, because we had eliminated these days, but it still applied the overtime hours. So it didn't give us a warning that those days should not allow overtime because they're not regular days. That function is working properly here on the grid. I know you corrected it for us. For instance, if I eliminate this day, it zeroes out this column, which is perfect. And then if I go to add overtime here, it gives me a warning because it's not a regular day. So that's all working very well. But when we go to the Manage Overtime page, it allows me to add overtime to days that are not regular days without a warning. So that was one issue. The other issue now is the start times that we put in here across the board did apply properly. However, when we go to the next month, which is June, you'll notice that it did not carry those changes forward. So if you look at this grid here, it has a 5:30 start, no start time, 5:30. It didn't apply the 6 a.m. start time going forward to the next month. So for some reason, the changes didn't carry forward.